This is a 2014 BMW X1. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a sunroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 13,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.